Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the USB-C port, loosen the screw securing the side cover and slide the cover off the system to remove it. Identify the USB-C module, optional input-output module. Loosen the 2 screws. Disconnect the USB-C module from the connector. Lift the USB-C module out of the system. To reinstall the USB-C port, connect the USB-C module to the connector and secure it with the 2 screws. Place the side cover on the chassis by aligning the tabs on the side cover with the slots on the chassis. Slide the side cover towards the rear of the computer. Tighten the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.